How to generate Pinterest pins in seconds with Pin Generator. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here on this channel, Whizz. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can generate Pinterest pins in seconds using the Pin Generator. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to create an account in Pin Generator. It is completely free and can be created in just a few minutes. On the top right corner, you will see a profile icon. Just click that and you'll see the sign up button. In order to create an account, it will ask you for a few information. Just fill it all up and then click the sign up button and it will successfully create your account. After logging in, it will take you to this page, and now you can start creating your own templates for your pins by clicking the templates button at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you will be able to create your own pins. But as for me, I'll be using random templates that Pin Generator already has. So you will have to paste the link of the product website that you want to create the pins for here. So we're just gonna paste the link here and then click the generate pins button. So just give pin generator some time to load and it will generate pins for you. And now as you can see, pin generator has detected these images from that website. It is likely that we don't want to use all of the images, so just uncheck this. Use all detected images and just select the ones that you like. But if you want to use all of them, just check the Use All Detected Images button. So I will be using all of the detected images, and after doing so, just click the Done button. So it will show you collecting pins for your products. And as you can see that it created 12 pins. So if you want to add or less the number of pins, just change it by editing the number of pins, which is located on the left side. So let's input 6 and then click the generate pins. So now it created 6 pins for my product, and after generating pins, you can schedule them using the schedule button where you can input when you want your product to be released. But we will get into that later. For now, let's check out how you can edit your templates for your pins. On the left side of the screen, you will see some tabs that can help you edit your pins. So the first option you'll see there is the colors and font. Here you can put in your preferred color for your pin or let pin generator select the color that suits best your product. You can check or uncheck the use all colors button, but if you like, just use because it can use the same color to all the pins. So, but if you don't, you can uncheck it. The next is the font settings. So to access this, make sure that the box for activate phone overrides below is checked to be able to use the other phone settings. Here you can use the color of your text, and I'll choose this because it looks better for my product. And after that, you can change the color of the font of the product. As you can see that there are different types of font you can use. Just pick the one that you think is best suited for your product. If you want to use uppercase for all of the text, just click this box. But if you want them in lowercase, you can uncheck it. But I will choose to uppercase them all because I think it looks good. You can also change the size of your fonts through this. You can pick if you want it to become bigger or smaller by clicking the plus and minus button. After that is the templates tab. You can randomize the templates that are displayed on the pin generator. You can also use your own templates or the standard templates that pin generator already has. If you don't like the template it is currently using, you can definitely change that through this. After that, you will see the detected images panel. with all the images detected by pin generator from your website. Just like before, whether you want or not want to use all the detected images, you can just check or uncheck this box. After that is the images panel. Here you can randomize the pictures that has been detected by pin generator, and you can keep randomizing them until you find the best one. So you can also edit the picture if you want to show the full image in the available space by clicking this box. So for example, as you can see that some of the pictures are shown with cropped edges. So you can show the full image by clicking this box. It is a really good feature and a great option for creating product pins. So, and you can also change the image position here. After that is the AI options. This can rewrite all titles and descriptions with AI. And as you can see that it changes like paraphrasing the words, so it's really good. You can also change the language through this button. So next is the bulk settings. The first thing that you will see is the set titles. Here you don't need to change all of the titles manually. For example, let's type in web Whizz. And as you can see that all the titles changed into web Whizz. So the next is the set description button. It is the same with the set titles that the description will be shown on each pin. But wait, let me show you. I will type in this is web Whizz. And as you can see that there are no changes to the pins, that's because the description will be shown when you post the pins on Pinterest. The description will be shown there. But if you want to use the old description, just remove the one you typed and it will go back to the old one immediately. Next is the outbound links. Here, I suggest you to add the outbound link of your affiliate product so whenever someone clicks on your pin, it will affiliate that to your outlink. And you will definitely generate some leads, and you can also add URL text. It will change all the URLs you see on these pins in bulk so you don't have to change it for every pin. For it will change all the URLs on these pins, and after that is the brand name. It is highly suggested that you add a brand name because it will help you promote your brand. And last but not the least, we have a local option. Here you can upload a new logo using your computer and it will display on every pin. And the last option is zoom. From the word itself, it will help you zoom in your templates. And if you're done editing your templates, you can click the Save Design settings, and later on, you can upload these design pins to your new pins you are generating by using this Upload It. Below it, you can see this Pin to Pin Plus button. Here you can click on this button to directly pin this template on the Pinterest. And after that is the schedule button. You can schedule these pins, and then finally you can download this pin as an image, and from this edit button you can change the pin title, pin description, outbound link, the URL text displayed on the image. So I would like you to paste your affiliate product link here so that whenever someone clicks on your pins on Pinterest, again, they will be affiliated to the product or website and you will definitely get some leads. And after that is rewrite title with Air AI, which we have already seen. Similarly, shuffle, which will shuffle all your images, and then this duplicate button will duplicate this pin so that you can edit both separately. And if you lock this pin, whatever changes you make from here will not affect this specific pin but will be applied to all other pins. So if you like this template but you want to make some minor changes, you can just click this edit template button and it will take you to a new window where you can do so. And that is how you can generate pins in seconds by using pin generator. Here's a tip: if you really want to see results, I suggest that you should post at least 20 pins, and doing so, it will reach more audience. So, thank you for watching this video. This is WebWiz, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.